शादी हर लड़की का सबसे खूबसूरत सपना। शायद ये सपना जो वो बचपन से देखती आ रही है और शायद उसकी तैयारियां भी करती आ रही है। So, hi guys, I am Neha from Vaidehi Vines. If you're watching me for the first time, first of all, let me congratulate to all the brides and the bridesmaids and the family also. For this big day. I'm so happy for all those guys, all those girls who are getting married. So, let's begin the makeup guide for your D-Day. Choosing the right makeup is as important as the halwai in shadi and the juta churai rasam. So let's begin. So today I'll be talking about the products for oily and sensitive skin type. So this is my first product by PAC Cosmetic. This is a moisturizer lotion. If you don't have a good moisturizer, आप ये ज़रूर apply कर सकते हैं. This is really good for your makeup before applying a primer. So this is my first step 1. Then second step would be a primer. Choosing a good primer is really important, which can stick your makeup. So I use this PAC Pore Primer, which is amazing. It does the job it has to do. Then choosing the right foundation. I think it's the toughest job, I guess, but I have a solution for you. This is the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, which is amazing for oily skin type. Then I have the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm in shade 320, so this is also a good pick. So these are two of my favorite foundations. Then I move on to the compact. I prefer the Nykaa one and the NYX compact. So the Nykaa one gives you a very matte look. So do the NYX one. So also sweethearts, if you want me to portray a skin routine for the bridals, like a holy grail product, so please comment down below. I'll be more than happy to shoot that for you guys. So please comment if you want me to do a holy grail product for the skincare, especially for the brides. So guys, concealer is the most important part in your makeup and the most important step in your makeup. I mean, for the brides, you should definitely buy this Maybelline's Age Rewind, or you can also buy the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer, which is, yes, this one I'm talking about. This is an amazing concealer. So guys, do invest in a good concealer. Moving forward, the most important step in your makeup, which defines your face, is the enhancing your eyebrows. So for that I use this pencil, kajal pencil, from the PAC Cosmetic, and this really does a good job, and I really like the I really don't know what's that called, but I really like it. Gives you a very good shape. Then I prefer Nika K mascara gel, and this is too good to apply. And I prefer applying this with an angular brush, which is in a shape just like this. Yes, so you can get it online, Nykaa or Amazon. This is an amazing shape which gives you a very enhanced and defined eyebrows. Then moving forward, I really love this blush, which is my Maybelline again, and I don't know what's the magic of this blush. It gives you a very glowy look. For those who have an oily skin type, it gives you a very good look. So that's a peachy color kind of a thing. Highlighter. Oh my god, how can you not pick this product? This is my favorite highlighter from the range of Makeup Revolution. Everything, all the products, the ranges, everything will be listed. Oh my god, look at that. Everything will be listed down bar, so don't forget to check the description box. Also, I prefer applying the Maybelline's Master Strobe Liquid. This is also amazing. I think I should find out some more synonyms for these. Okay, moving on forward. This is a very good contouring in a banana powder kind of a packed packaging, which I am obsessed with. This is by Wet n Wild, and Wet n Wild products are Oh my god, look that brown color. It's give you such a good, you know, definition with your skin. It's amazing. It's amazing. So it's a good product. It's a good big product, guys, and it retails of 500, I guess. So everything will be listed down bar. Don't forget to check the description box. Then my favorite two picked eyeshadow palette is, and also affordable, is the first one is the Makeup Revolution, and the colors are so pigmented. You get the all colors you want, and they are, look at that, they are so pigmented, and this is my holy grail product. Second, I prefer, and I mean, look at the packaging. First of all, this is beautiful. Then I have a very affordable, under 500, I guess. This is by ENCORE, and don't judge a book by its cover. So that means the color are very pigmented. So the packaging is also, you know, to die for. I really love the packaging. And let's look at that. The blue color, it's beautiful. Shut up, phone. So the blue color is beautiful. What am I doing? Yeah, that's the right way to swatch, Neha. This is also a stunning color. So the must have two eyeshadow palettes is this one, baby. Then the next is the Revolution one. So it's your call. आप जो चाहें वो पसंद कर सकते हैं. Moving forward, mascara. Mascara is the very essential and important part in your makeup, and I like the Color Bar one and the Maybelline one. This is a universal, you know, what do you call universal mascara, which every YouTuber, everyone loved. So yeah, this retails of 500 rupees, and it's give you a exact, you know, false eyelashes look. Then this is the Color Bar one. One side is the volume one, and another side is for the lengthening one. So next is the eyeliner. And the reason मैं आपको दो products दिखा रही हूँ, the reason is कि ताकि आप दोनों में से कोई भी एक product choose कर सकें. So first is my Color Bar one, which I truly love, and this is also in budget of 300 or 400 rupees. This is a good pick. You can definitely go for this. It's a very deep black color. And another is the Maybelline Hyperlink liquid liner. This is also good. This is approximately 450 or 425. I'll mention the link in description box. Then is the Kajal, and this kohl is by KIKO Milano in the shade 03. It's a very deep black color and stays for the complete day. And I love the packaging. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful packaging of KIKO Milano. And if you don't remember, or if you're watching this the first time, guys, I did a KIKO Milano haul, which was a small Valentine kind of a haul. So I'll share the link above or description. Please go and check that. Then I have two pigments, beautiful, amazing pigments by ENCORE. This is in the shade Sparkle Silver. Shade will be listed down, but I think 55 is the shade number. And this is such a gorgeous shade. I mean, you know, if you're on a honeymoon and you wanna, you know, just take this shade rather than a palette, you can perfectly go with this. This is such a stunning shade, I tell you guys. And I'll do a swatch for you. Look at that. Amazing. Then the second pick is again from ENCORE. This is the copperish kind of a color. Though it's a body pigment, but you can definitely apply on your eyelids. That's how I use this pigment. And it is also a beautiful color. Also guys, Some of you have asked me how to apply pigments. So if you want to see a video regarding the same, do let me know in the comment section and look at that color. So please comment down below if you want to see skincare, bridal, things. How can I forget my cute beauty blender by Nykaa? I love this. Also the Pack Cosmetic one is also amazing, but I'm really loving this currently. Then comes to my favorite makeup brand, and my favorite part is the KIKO Milano lipstick. I'm super excited to make you see that. Though I have done a video, but I don't know how many of you have watched it, but this is such a stunning color, I tell you guys, and this is a perfect red for the wedding season. And can you please appreciate the packaging? This is so cute. Look at that color. Look at that color. Wow, that's so beautiful. And this is universal flattering color. Red is the universal flattering color, and this stays for the whole day. This is a must buy, guys. Then again one maroonish red color, which is this one, Victoria's Secret. So I thought to keep a 3 ranges like red, pink and nude, because आज के time में यही चलता है. Then the pink shade I picked is by Sugar, and this is also very stunning color. I'm like, truly I'm not a fan of pink lipsticks, but this pink lipstick have scored a good marks in my rank. So here you go for the swatch. What are you drawing? I don't know why I'm such a bad person in drawing. Anyways, so yes, that's exactly how the color is. This is a perfect nude shade by Lip Gradation Maybelline. Let me do a swatch again. Here you go. So this is this swatch, and this is of 500 rupees. Makeup setting spray is the most effective and most essential part of your makeup. Please do try to invest in your makeup setting spray. I prefer Bobbi Brown or the Universal Makeup Fixer by MAC. Oh, this is amazing. I mean, amazing. This retails of 1600 and it's worth the price. What I'm doing. So that's all for the video, guys, and I really hope कि आपको पसंद आए होंगे. And for the brides and would be brides, I really hope कि मैंने सारे points cover किए, and really hope कि आप इनमें से कुछ products ज़रूर apply करें, purchase करें, and if you purchase and if they are effective, do let me know, guys. Now it's time to pack. I love makeup, and for the all makeup lover and the all makeup obsessed person, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. It's free. Nothing goes. I mean, I'm not taking anything out of you. Just subscribe. And even if you don't subscribe, and even if you watch my video, just give it a thumbs up or comment down below. Your comment will make me feel that you are appreciating me. So I really hope you like it, guys, and I'll see you super soon. Bye bye, and thank you so much. Like always I say that. Thank you so much for being there with me, for me, and by me. I love you so freaking much. Mwah. Bye bye.